So good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. So now I have come to this place. Now you can see brinjal, the brinjal of different kind, the green one and the baggy one, and the tomato, radish, two types of green chili, which is little thicker, big in size compared to this chili. The bottle gourd, capsicum, and the beans, radish and small pumpkin as well. And you can see others. This man is also selling the Simla mirch here. And this is a Pahadi banana, which is very good in taste when it's come to ripe. But if you want to have a vegetable out of this raw, you can also buy it, cut it and make vegetable out of it. It is very good. So I'm really excited to be in Kaladhungi. Now this is my own vegetable vendor. This man is selling not only vegetable during the mango season. He take the take of all mango orchard more than 3 to 4 months, and now he's free from the mango season. Now he's selling tomato. आपका नाम? रईस अहमद जी, the owner of this shop. And आप कितने सालों से चला रहे हैं?
अरे बहुत सालों से हमारा 45-50 साल.
So this man is running this shop from last 40 to 45 years, and now you have different kind of vegetable: the bottle gourd, beans, green chili, cucumber, pumpkin, and the Pahadi aloo, which is very good in taste compared to the desi aloo. And you can also see a stack of potato and the onion. And this is another famous garlic, you can see, which is very good in taste, and generally people use it in all cuisine, food and the tea. You can see as the sun is setting all over the place, people are enjoying this market, buying all the vegetable steps and enjoying the market. You can see now as the sun is going to be set, the crowd is increasing. All other vegetable market here. This man, sir, आप कहाँ से हैं?
मैं यहीं से लोकल.
Okay. So आप हर weekly market में यहाँ आते हैं?
Yes.
Okay. So this uncle is saying every weekly market I used to come to buy the fresh vegetable, and for last 1 week they are buying all it. So uncle, आपका नाम? Dharmen Misra ji and her spouse. So both are coming here, enjoying the evening walk and buying the fresh vegetable. Thank you so much. And now I'm taking you. This is the another shop here. And now you can see. So this time particularly we are enjoying this market here. And now you can see a full heap of vegetable and the onion. And now if you are very fond of having the aloo ka chips, you can buy it. And people, they really love to eat this kind of vegetable, and they have chutney as well. This chutney is made out of pudina or green chili, which is very good in taste, but you have to be very careful if you don't like the oily food. And now heading towards the market. And now you can see, and we have also the carpentry shop here, which is this line is all belongs to the carpentry shop. If you have any carpentry work to be done, you have to please do visit this place and do your carpentry work. You can see all over the places. The young guys are strolling, walking, enjoying the market. And this is a beautiful place here. I'm at Kaladhungi market. And now you can see this man is also selling vegetable, coriander and the tomato. So Now this is photographs here. Yes, so now this is another shop. These guys are really happy. Look at their face. They are smiling. And the guava. How much? How much? Kitne?
20 रुपए किलो.
So yeah, so today there is a sale of 20 rupees. Generally, if you buy kind of at Haldwani, it will cost 50 rupees to 100 rupees kg. But today of the weekly market, they are selling it for just 20 rupees kg. So if you really want to buy set, and now they are calling the bid or boli. And you can see the noise, full of noise. The people are, now they are okay. Now this is a big fruit stall. ये क्या कौन सा fruit है?
ये ड्रैगन फ्रूट.
Dragon fruit. So if guys, if you don't know
ये
fruit,
20 दिया.
so today I am showing you this is fruit. You can see how it looks, which is very good. ये इसका काम क्या फायदा है इसका खा के?
ये ताकत के लिए होता.
So it is very good for the immunity and the strength. So if your immunity is not good, you have to buy, taste it, enjoy. They are buying the ginger, which is pahadi है? कितने का?
ये 50 का पावा.
Okay, so 50 rupees, 250 gram. And you can also see the corn or bhutta. You can make chapati out of it. If you are not interested to have chapati, you can roast it, you can boil it and enjoy this corn or the bhutta. So now I am going to visit this man's shop here. आपका नाम?
गोविंद सैनी.
Govind Saini ji, look at this man. He is running this shop from last 40 plus year, and before him, his forefather or Dadaji or Pitaji were running this shop from different places, like Khaladhungi. So you can see a heap of potato, tomato, capsicum, bean, the ginger, adrak, nibu, the very spicy green chili, cauliflower, bottle gourd, loofah, cucumber, pumpkin, carrot, and one second. इसको क्या बोल भैया क्या है?
ये लिंगोड़ा पहाड़ का.
Nimboda. I don't know the English name of this Ningoda, but which is very good in taste.
आज 50 रुपए.
So you can also buy it. The Ningoda here. इसके रेट क्या क्या है सब्जी की बताना मोटा मोटा.
ये 20 रुपए किलो, ये 40 रुपए किलो.
Okay, so the price of 1 kg of aloo or potato is 20,
आलू 2.5 किलो 50.
40,
ये 80 रुपए किलो.
80 rupees kilo. Very expensive.
120.
150 more expensive than the tomato and capsicum.
160.
160 rupee kg, because this is ginger is almost used in every vegetable as well in tea.
बैगन 40.
The brinjal or baigan 40,
भिंडी 40. ये
lady finger 40,
160 रुपए किलो.
and the lemon is 160 rupees, and the bottle gourd is 40,
60.
and the loofah gourd is 60 rupees. Thank you so much.
सर ओके.
Okay.